Hi everyone, this is Rose here. Um, Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Android phone like Samsung, Asus, or any other smartphone or smart tablets device by using Google Play Store to download Libby. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to the Play Store. Your phone or your device to the top and to look for Libby. Okay, I've been downloaded this, so let's do the install. You'll be here, you'll be downloading the Libby by Overdrive. Now that's installed because it's been downloaded. Okay, it's done, so that's open. Do you have a library card? Yes. Guess my library. Okay, this is my library. Should not reach your library. Now, let me put in the card. So, I'm not gonna show you here, but you will be keying your library card number, and then it will ask you for the PIN number. So the PIN number would be the last 4 digits of your phone number. Okay, so I just did all that and I sign in. I click on next. So all you have to do to have your library card number and your PIN number, you go next and sign in. Okay, top here, search for a book. If you know anything you want to look for, you can search for a book. Here you have preferences you can do. You can have different format, books, ebooks or audiobooks. You have different language you can pick. Audience, you are juvenile, young adult, general content, mature content. Compatibility, we're Libby actually. Now we have availability. You can decide everything will available now. You can, I actually want to try, I want to show you everything first. Okay, so let's look for here. Let's look down here. Scroll down. You can see, if you know what kind of books you want, you can click on the top end, go for search. If not, you can explore different subject. So now, okay, let's look for the self-improvement. Okay, so you can see there's many stars. It's the full stars are 5 stars. So you can see how many books that's actually really good that have the most stars. You will show the numbers on the side, like how many people rate it. Okay. Let's see what kind of book we would like. Tidy up. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so let's try this book. I can place hold. So anything put place hold means that you're put this on hold, and there's many people that's in front of you that trying to get this book. A highly effective people. Let's try this. Okay, it's an ebook because we don't have that audiobook sign, the audio sign there. So let's try to borrow this book. Okay, borrow. So this book is available for 21 days. So then let's look. Oh, it's going really fast. So you see the circle going for circle, like it's going through the solid line. That means being downloaded. There's a check mark. It's being downloaded. Okay, let's click on the open book. There you go. That's the book. So if you tap on the book itself, you will go the entire book. So you just swipe, swipe, swipe. Now you can do this. Okay. Tap again. It will show the bottom part. All the pages you can scroll to the right to different chapters. You can go back. So this book is 21 days. It will expire by itself after 21 days. Once you've been downloaded through your Wi-Fi, you don't need Wi-Fi to access to this book anymore. Anytime you left off, for example, I read 10 pages and I left for the day, I'm done for the day. Tomorrow I come back to Libby. Let's look for Libby to show you here. The page is right there, whatever you left off. Now here on the top and the top right corner, you can do all the different settings. So if you wish to have a bigger font, you can do the reading settings, make it bigger. Okay, different brightness. Okay, dark. So we can do whichever. Okay, you can play around. Done. Now you can go back. Now, if you want to go to your home, that's to the back. And it will, in the middle between the, okay, you look down to the bottom part, the library and shelf in the middle, the high efficiency effective people is the book that you're actually currently reading. Okay, so you click on that, go back. Here on the left, library is actually your home page. So whatever you can tap one or two times to go back, and you can explore more of the books you want. On the right hand side in the bottom part, and there's a shelf is where all your books are. So you go to loan, you can see what you're doing. It tells you there's 21 days. Right now we don't have holds, but if you tap on hold, there will be all the books are put on hold. Let's try this one. I can borrow it now as well. Okay, let's try that. I might like this. Again, borrow it. 21 days. It will expire by itself. Do not need to return. I can also do a keep browsing. It will just keep downloading by itself. So let's go keep browsing in the middle. That's browsing for more books. It would just keep downloading. Now I want to show you how to download the audiobook. So I can go to the preferences. I will do a format, change to audiobook. I want to show you how to download available now. So let's do available now. Okay. And apply preferences down here. Okay, now I would like to try to download. Okay, let's try is habit. Let's try this book, The Power of Habit. Okay, so now there's like you can play a sample of the book. Let's try to hear for 5 minutes. If you don't like it, try a different book. If I like it, for example, let's pretend I really like this book. I want to borrow it. Okay, let's borrow. So this book is different. This audiobook is 14 days. So then after 14 days, it will expire by itself as well. This book is a skip the line long. So that's the audiobook. Let's go back. And let's try to go back to library. Let's see if we want to try to borrow a book. Available now. Oh, I do everything. And then let's do apply preferences. So only one preference is only set for the English, and everything else is so place whole. Like for example, Michelle Obama becoming is place whole. Now on the right side, you see it looks like a calendar icon. It kind of tell you like, oh, there's how many people that place whole. So for example, this book, there's 30 copies in use, 225 people still waiting in total, and 8 people waiting per copy. Now this book, I have put on hold on my account, and I've been waiting for 8 months now, still not available for me. So I don't want to try this one here on my husband's account. So let's try to place hold something that he might be interested in hearing. Let's see. Let's try to see this book. Renee Brown. Okay, let's place hold on this book, audiobook. Let's place hold. Place hold. Okay, so now if you go back to Shell, so go to Shell, you should be able to see I have one book here that's place hold, and it's probably, let's see, so 81 you're placing in line, 9 copies in use, 81 people waiting in total, and 9 people waiting per copy. So that will take a while. Okay, so now I've shown you just about whatever you need here. So here there's different icon you can tap and try it. On top of here, let's see. So beside the magnifying glass, let's see. So there's this here. You can manage all your notification and stuff. So you can play around here. You can still go hide it. So yeah, Libby is actually a really good apps to try to download different audiobook and ebook. Mostly people use this for traveling, or they don't go to the library to get a physical book. They can just use their tablets to read at home, or travel to different countries. You can pre-download on your phone or device, and then while you're traveling, because it doesn't really need Wi-Fi to play or to read, so you can use that for 21 days. As long as you have a quiet Wi-Fi connection, you will be able to download anything. Okay, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy Libby.